Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox something I've been really looking forward to, the Ulanzi VL49Pro LED video light. I'm a big fan of compact lighting, and the VL49 series has always been a go for many creators. Let's get this open, and the unboxing experience is always part of the fun, right? First impressions are everything. Okay, here it is, and well-packed package, as you see. The box itself looks premium, and let's get inside. Okay, and here it is. Some manual and the booklets, which no one reads. Some sort of accessory box, and interestingly, it has a tear on it. Let's see what you get in here. The hot shoe. What else? Some metal plates for sticking on the surfaces, on the non-metal surfaces, for using the casing magnet for attachment. And what else? Here it is, the light itself, and wow, what a surprise! The diffuser design seems to be changed since the previous versions. So I was a bit worried about the diffuser, because with previous versions, while the light was great, the diffuser design often left a little to be desired, especially with the hot shoe amount getting in the way. So they changed the design, and the diffuser actually wraps around and covers the entire casing of the light. This is a game changer. No more struggling with the hot shoe attachment getting blocked or the light escaping from the sides. This is a massive improvement, Ulanzi. They listened to the feedbacks, and I am genuinely surprised and so happy about this. So the hot shoes attachment is not a big deal, and that's a great improvement to the previous versions. So my initial impressions of the Ulanzi VL49Pro are incredibly positive, primarily because of this amazing new diffuser design. It feels more robust, more thought out, and it directly addresses a common pain point. I'm really looking forward to putting this light through spaces. Also, we have the honeycomb diffuser, and it is also with the new design, the whole casing cover design. So the honeycomb also fits perfectly around the casing, and these two changes are a massive change and improvement for this light, in my opinion. And the light itself, incredible. As you can see, there are many reviews about the light, that no one has complained about the light itself, but the only point was the diffusers. And as you can see, it has different modes, 3 modes. It has some scene modes. You can use it as a lighting or an RGB light, as you desire by the settings on the casing. And the buttons are placed on the back for the use of everyone, and you can use in any scenarios. That was a great improvement, Ulanzi. Thank you for everyone watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if you found this unboxing helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more unboxing reviews and surprises. Thank you.